Welcome back Easy English Educational Channel.
I feel much better now. Thank you.
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 I really value your opinion.
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 Please make yourself comfortable.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Please make yourself comfortable.
I'm delighted to hear the good news.
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 I am looking forward to our meeting.
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 That might be a bit complicated.
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 Could I ask for your advice?
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 Let me think about that for a moment.
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 Could you please give me an example?
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 I'm so glad you could make it.
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 That's a great question.
That's a great question.
That's a great question.
That's a great question.
Please correct me if I'm wrong.
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 I completely agree with you.
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 I'm afraid I don't understand.
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 Thank you for your patience.
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 That's not what I had in mind.
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 Please correct me if I'm wrong.
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 I think there has been a misunderstanding. 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 May I have your attention, please?
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 Please tell me more about it.
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 I'm not quite sure what you mean.
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 Could you spell that name for me?
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 I don't think that's the best idea.
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 Can I get you something to drink?
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 That explanation helps a lot.
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 I appreciate you taking the time.
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 Please feel free to ask questions.
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 I'm so happy we are on the same page.
I'm so happy we are on the same page.
I'm so happy we are on the same page.
I'm so happy we are on the same page.
That is a very valid point.
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 May I make a suggestion?
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 Please speak up a little bit.
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 I'm not certain that will work.
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 Could you repeat the last part?
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 That was a wonderful performance.
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 That was a very thoughtful gift.
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 I see things a little differently.
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 I am very sorry for the inconvenience.
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 Can you show me how it works?
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 I truly sympathize with your situation.
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 Thank you for bringing this to my attention.
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 Would you mind if I joined you?
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 I am very grateful for your kindness.
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 Please allow me to introduce myself.
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 It's a pleasure to meet you. 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 I believe that is the right choice.
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 I'm sorry, but I have to decline.
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 I'll get back to you on that.
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 Can you hold on for a second?
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 I understand where you're coming from.
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 Thank you for your consideration.
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 I'm not comfortable with that.
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 That really means a lot to me.
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 Can I borrow your pen for a moment?
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 Please let me know what you decide.
Please let me know what you decide.
Please let me know what you decide.
Please let me know what you decide. Thank you for watching video. To get more educational videos, subscribe our Easy English channel and like and share.